The Surge Impedance Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine transmission line characteristics for power system analysis. This calculator has 6 calculation modes: calculate surge impedance from L and C, calculate surge impedance from conductor geometry, calculate inductance per unit length from Z0, calculate capacitance per unit length from Z0, calculate wave velocity and SIL, and calculate reflection and transmission coefficients. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate surge impedance from L and C. The input fields include inductance per unit length in microhenries per kilometer, capacitance per unit length in nanofarads per kilometer, conductor radius in millimeters, conductor spacing in meters, surge impedance in ohms, line-to-line voltage in kilovolts, line impedance Z1 in ohms, and load impedance Z2 in ohms. Let me show you a calculation. I'll enter 1.2 for inductance per unit length and 10.5 for capacitance per unit length. After clicking Calculate, the surge impedance Z0 shows 10.69 ohms. The status indicates very low impedance check values, alerting us that this impedance is unusually low for typical transmission lines, suggesting we should verify our input parameters. This tool streamlines surge impedance calculations for transmission line design. Find the link in the description below.